So today we're back on the shop track. Got this all painted, got the new bumper on, polished the trim. I just put the grill and the bezels and everything. I got the braces for the hood. We're gonna try to save the original hood for now. We'll get that together, go from there. got the bumper replaced. We went ahead and went with the new grill, and we polished all these, repainted that. We saved the original hood instead of going with the cowl hood just for now. It does have that teeny kink in it, but we got those wheels on there. Got her all polished up. We found these new floor mats, new old stock. Put the Grant steering wheel. We got that chrome roll cage that I picked up. We still need to drill the holes and everything, but she's looking a little bit beautiful, so to speak. We got it all buffed. It's turned out pretty good. Not too bad. We got the back all cleaned up. Pretty good, huh, bud? Probably keep the whole bumper. It's pretty sweet. So we just got to put the mirrors on it, do a couple little things. Got a friend of mine that was talking about painting the logo on the side. Maybe. Haven't quite decided on that. She turned out pretty good. Put the mirrors on it, do a couple little other things, and to be tuned.